Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me. I am Failaris Mativasya. I'm from 4th B class. I'm from English major in the Teacher Training and Education Faculty of Islamic University of Kadiri. So today, I wanna make a learning video about lexical meaning versus structural meaning and relationship of meaning of hyponymy, synonymy, and autonomy in English semantics. So today I wanna make explanation one by one. In English, in semantic class, where is we always studying about lexical meaning and structural meaning between hyponymy, autonomy, and synonymy in English. First of all, I wanna explanation of the definition of English lexical meaning. The definition explanation is here. So, lexical meaning in English is the specific inherent meaning of a word as found in a dictionary. Lexical meaning in English, it refers to the content or concept that a word to carries independent of how it is used in a sentence. For the example of English lexical meaning is a dog for use a domesticated canine animal, run to move quickly on foot. Run for to move quickly on foot. And the last example of beautiful, the blessing to the senses. The second explanation I want to explain about structural meaning or grammatical meaning in English. The grammatical meaning in English is the word of the meaning in the grammatical, the meaning that comes from how words are arranged in a phrase or a sentences. Grammatical meaning, it includes contributions from word order. The example of word order is subject versus object. The example, the cat chased the mouse versus the mouse chased the cat. Grammatical marker, for the example, ed or ed for past tense and s for plural. Function words, the example of the, a, in, and on. The last, the grammatical meaning used for synthetic structure, the example, which word is the subject or which is the object. The key difference of lexical meaning answers what does this word refer to, and the key difference of structural meaning answer what is the grammatical relationship between words in a sentences. For the example of structural, consider the sentence, the teacher praised the student. Lexical meaning is the example, teacher as educator, praise like express or approval or appreciation of the student as a learners. Structural meaning, the word order, for order tell us the teacher is the one doing the praising and the student is the one receiving it. the student is the one receiving it. Because if the word reserved, the meaning word chance of the student praise the teacher. Lexical versus structural meaning. Lexical meaning refers to the individual meaning or individual stances in English. Dictionary like meaning of a word. For the example, a dog. Dog is for description about a four-legged animal, and structural meaning or grammatical meaning comes from how words are arranged in a sentence. The example for word order, syntax, and grammatical marker. The example of lexical versus structural meaning, the dog chased the cat versus the cat chased the dog. Some lexical item but different structural meaning. The dog chased the cat versus the cat chased the dog. Same lexical meaning items but different structural meaning. The last explanation I want to explain about relations of meaning between synonymy, antonymy, and hyponymy in English semantic. In English semantic, as far as we know, synonymy is a different word with similar meaning. The example of synonymy in English, big or large. The example stances, the synonymy is the basketball is a big. The yard is large. An antonymy in English is a definition of a word with opposite meaning. The example of short example is hot, opposite of cool. The stances example like a cup of coffee is hot, but the water is so cool. And the last, hyponymy in English is a word with a hierarchical relationship where one word hyponym is a specific example of another hypernym. For example, the rose flower is a hyponymy of a flower as a hypernymy in English. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.